ready to ditch the pavement and carve out your own epic off-road adventure. First, fire up Garmin Basecamp on your computer and make sure you have the relevant map data installed, ideally one that includes topographic information and trail details. Now, create a new list to organize your off-road route. Click the File menu, then New, and then List. Next, select the New Route tool from the toolbar. It looks like a road with a flag. Start plotting your course by clicking along your desired off-road trails. Be sure to disable the Avoid Highway setting to ensure Basecamp doesn't try to reroute you onto paved roads. Fine-tune your route by adjusting the activity profile to off-road driving and selecting your vehicle type. This helps Basecamp optimize the route based on your vehicle's capabilities and anticipated terrain. Add waypoints along your route to mark potential obstacles, viewpoints, or campsites. Use the Waypoint tool to place these points and customize them with names and symbols. Pay close attention to the terrain. Zoom in to examine elevation changes, steep slopes, and potential hazards. Consider your vehicle's clearance and capabilities when planning your route. Finally, transfer your route to your Garmin GPS device and get ready to explore the great outdoors. Remember to always prioritize safety and responsible off-roading practices. Happy trails!